these 10 days, as I said, they're all about praising Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, proclaiming the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are all about proclaiming the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we do as much as possible, we do Takbeer, Allahu Akbar, we do Tahleel, La ilaha illallah, and we do Tasbih, Allah subhanallah, alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, as much as possible. In fact, the Sahaba Ikram ajma'in, in these 10 days, they would spend majority of the time doing Takbeer, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahi alhamd. This is Takbeer that is done throughout the 10 days. There is another Takbeer that is called Takbeer at-Tashriq, which is done from 9th Fajr to 13th Asr. I'll talk about that shortly. But now I'm talking about starting from 1st to all the way up to the 13th, doing as much Takbeer as possible. Sayyidina Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he would go out to the market area and he would say this, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Walillahi alhamd. And he would say it loudly, and then everybody in the market would start echoing it, and they would say the same. So and this sunnah is dying in us. We must try to revive this sunnah. The one who revives the sunnah gets to be with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam like this on the day of judgment. So we must try to revive the sunnah. It's an opportunity for us to revive the sunnah, to do as much Takbeer as possible.